Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 4th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First Sudoku I will solve is the 4 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku, correction. 3 stars Sudoku, number 7037. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars. For 26 printed digits, 2 stars, 3 stars should be 25. Anyway, it's indicated with 3 stars Sudoku. So it's for 3 stars puzzle, need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me position the camera first. This is not working great. Yeah. Right. Come on. Yeah, let me zoom this in. Okay. 3 stars Sudoku. So let's get started then. Let me see which number can I pick. Well, the 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Need a 7 here. Well, 2, 2, 2. Need a 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next, so in that column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there, 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah, this is not great. Okay. I need to hold my tripod. Having troubles with my tripod. Okay. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so on the row above the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 2. Need a 2 here. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 2 could be here or there in this row. Here or there, we see another 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yeah. We have a pair. 3 and a 5 in this column, 3 and a 5 in the column next. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes. Alright. Now we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. Second column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in the last row, so no 1 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 1 should be there. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. Well, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in this row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. These 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those. So we have a... Let me see. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6. Alright. The 2, the 4, the 1. How about these 3? No. 4, 9, and 3. Need a 3 here. I need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. 8, 8. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Need a none. Yeah. Need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. Alright. Two missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so no row between the second row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 9. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. Here we have also 4 missing numbers in this big square. The 9 and 8 and yeah. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this row. Second row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. And the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this second row for number 1. So we have a 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Okay. Here, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in the third row, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this big square. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for the us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those. So we have a 2 and 8, 6 and 9, so 1 digit left in this third row for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. No, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes. There are 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 9, 3, and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, let me zoom this. Okay. Need a 9 here. 2 and 8 are missing in this column. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Okay. 2, 8, and need a 3 here. No, we have 3. Need a 4 here. 2 is missing. 7 is missing. 5 is missing. 2. No, we have a 5. 2, 7, and a 4. 2, 7, and a 4. 2, 7, and 4. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 9 and 8, 9 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 and 3. Need an 8 here. 8, 8. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. Come on. 3 missing numbers. 2 is missing. 4 is missing. And 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. Okay. These 3. 1, 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. And 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4. We have here in this column. So no 3, 4 in this box. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left. Should we do a 6? So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between Middle column, there are only 3 places left for the 6 to be here or there. We see a 6 in this last row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the row above, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, and then 9. No. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and 8. 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 4. So the 2 and a 7 are left. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. And the last numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well, not the 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so it's not the 1 star. Alright, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.